Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today. Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today.
Good morning guys! Grabe, if narinig nyo yung mga sounds na yun sa background, it's actually the cars because we're back in downtown Calgary na. So kahapon, nasa Banff kami, nagstay kami ng overnight. And then now, kagabi, ay kahapon pala, bumalik na kami dito sa downtown Calgary. And I just want to show you the view from our Airbnb. I'm here at Calgary Observation Deck. Sobrang taas, sobrang nakakalula. Kanina nagpicture ako doon, papakita ko sa inyo. Oh my gosh, guys! So scary! Guys, meron akong nakita, oh. Meron silang parang pa-mini movie. Or not really movie. Pero merong...
Anong pili tayo kung ano mas maganda? Which one do you think is maganda? Or ito? Or ito naman?
Yung skyline. Or kaya yung coat of arms.
Ito?
Or ito yung tower, maganda rin.
Ito na lang.
Sige.
Ay, ganun.
Ipupush mo ata.
Ano yan? Tapos?
Tsaka mo iikot.
Enter dollar ka 6 times.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. Oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny, yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. Let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home.
Guys, tingnan nyo mga old school na pang gasoline. Ang ganda. Iba-iba siyang type. Tapos on the other side, ito naman mga vintage cars. Ayan, iba-iba. Guys, so pumunta kami sa may basement area and there's more vintage cars in here. Ayan. Iba-iba. Depende kung ano yung year. Ito mostly, ano siya, mga truck. Ayan. Or parang, hindi ko ma-explain, pero ganyan yung mga itsura. In 3 minutes. Naka-video na nga ako. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Mo munang inumin.
Mamaya na kayo mag-away, mag-cheers muna tayo.
One.
Gusto ko nakikita yung pangalan ko kung magpipicture kayo. Para alam nila.
Alam nilang ano, libre.
So, hindi kayo magpipicture ganun.
Hindi, dalian mo na.
1, 2, 3, go. Bye, Jam. Ayaw tumingin. Mga budo.
Mga Boodles.
Yun nga ito, may ano, ano pa.
Nalugi in life.
Hindi pala, record mo pala.